In 2025, everything shifted very quickly. Across the country, families who were already struggling to afford groceries, rent, or healthcare found themselves facing even higher costs. In response, we built a strategy around 4 priorities. We work to block and slow down harmful policies wherever possible. We document what is happening in real time in communities across the country. We look for any opportunity to make progress, even in a difficult environment. And we keep our focus on the long term, on what it will take to rebuild and create something better. This work is really about people. It's about making sure that when policies change, someone is paying attention to what that actually means for a parent trying to make sure that their children don't go to bed hungry, or a family trying to keep their health coverage. To meet the moment, we strengthened how we work, bringing together our policy experts, our communications team, our state partners, more closely and strategically than ever before. And we stay in constant collaboration with advocates and policymakers across the country who are seeing these impacts firsthand. The reality is, the policies passed in 2025 are already affecting millions of people, and in many cases, the hardest impacts are still ahead. The massive Budget Reconciliation Bill H.R. 1, enacted in July 2025, will take access to health coverage and food assistance away from millions of people while shifting more costs onto states. Beyond H.R. 1, the administration has pursued a series of deeply harmful policies and executive actions, including attempts to limit access to rental assistance as the country faces an ongoing housing crisis. But even in this environment, our work is helping to make a difference. By producing clear, timely analysis, shaping media coverage of the debate, and staying deeply engaged with policymakers, we changed the national conversation. There was widespread public opposition to H.R. 1, and importantly, some of the most extreme proposals were stopped. Proposals that would have taken food assistance away from parents with young children or forced states to take on huge new costs didn't move forward. At the same time, we've been helping people understand what these changes actually mean, breaking down complex policies into real-world impacts, and supporting state leaders as they make difficult decisions about budgets and services. And even now, there are moments of progress. In Maryland, for example, CBPP helped support a policy change that ensures child support payments go directly to families, putting more money where it's needed most. Looking ahead, our work continues on 2 tracks. Right now, we're focused on reducing harm as these policies are implemented, working closely with state partners to make sure the impact on families is as limited as possible, and documenting what's happening so it can't be ignored. At the same time, we're building toward the future, because this moment won't last forever, and when the opportunity comes, we'll be ready, not just to undo damage, but to create something stronger. That means rethinking how we support families, expanding access to income supports, and building programs and policies that actually reflect what people need to live and thrive. So even in a time that demands a lot of defense, we're also preparing for what comes next. Because the goal isn't just to get through this moment, it's to come out of it with a system that works better for everyone.